Today, we are at the bottom of this list. Have we lost our connection to our own natural way of life?
Everything we buy comes with instructions. Your movie cameras, our TVs, everything comes with instructions. We come with nothing, right?
In the 1900s, less than 4% of Americans had heart disease. Today, it's close to 35 to 40% die of heart attacks and strokes.
Almost 1 in every 2 people develop cancer now in the United States.
People completely are disconnected from the idea that they're the cause of their own misery. They think that it's a lack of pills.
Disease is not natural. It's just not, it's normal, but it's not natural.
Most believe genetics cause disease, for which the only treatments are drugs and surgeries.
How could it be genetic if these diseases didn't occur in human history? How could even cancer be genetics if, for example, in the Orient, areas of the world that less than 1% of them have breast cancer? They move to America, about 15% of American women get breast cancer.
How much genes contribute to the diseases in our world, and it turns out far less than 10%, probably even less than 5%. And the significance says, well, wait, if genes are only responsible for 5, at most 10% of the illness on our planet, what about the other 90% of illness? And the answer is, it has nothing to do with genes and has everything to do with lifestyle.
We were intended to be whole and healthy and complete and strong and vital in the world. And if that's not happening, there is a reason. And it is actually something that we've been doing to get in the way of that naturally expressing on its own.
A new health paradigm in the world today is what you hold in your beliefs becomes the overriding determining factor to your health.